In this video, I'll show you how to make a Gantt chart on Asana. So to get started, go ahead and open Asana on your preferred browser and then sign in to your account. Creating a Gantt chart in Asana is a fantastic way to visualize your project timeline, track dependencies, and keep your team aligned on deadlines. So to get started, go ahead and head over into that specific project where you want to create a Gantt chart of. So if you don't have a project with a Gantt chart, you can go ahead and create a new project and then make sure to select the timeline view as your default layout. So on your project, head over into that timeline view by clicking on that timeline tab. So once you click on that, you'll be able to find the Gantt chart version of your project on Asana. So this is how it will basically look like. So this is how you can basically make a Gantt chart in Asana. Make sure to use color coding for task categories, add custom fields for priority status or owner, and export your Gantt chart for presentations or reports. With Asana's Gantt chart view, you're not just managing tasks, you're orchestrating a visual roadmap for success. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.